As a property owner, it is essential to understand the concept of an easement and how it affects your property rights. An easement is a legal agreement that allows another party to use a portion of your property for a specific purpose, such as accessing a neighboring property or installing utility lines. In this tutorial, we will explore the topic of whether a property owner can block an easement on their property. First, it is crucial to understand the different types of easements, including express easements, implied easements, and prescriptive easements. Express easements are created through a written agreement between the property owner and the party seeking to use the easement. Implied easements are created through the circumstances surrounding the property, such as a shared driveway. Prescriptive easements are created through long-term use of the property by another party. If a property owner wants to block an easement on their property, they must first determine the type of easement in question. If the easement is an express easement, the property owner may be able to terminate the agreement by providing written notice to the party holding the easement. However, this may require the property owner to pay compensation to the party holding the easement. In the case of an implied easement, the property owner may be able to block the easement by demonstrating that the circumstances surrounding the property have changed, such as the installation of a new fence or the construction of a building. However, this can be a complex and time-consuming process, and the property owner may need to seek the assistance of a lawyer. To block a prescriptive easement, the property owner must demonstrate that the party holding the easement has not used the property for the required period, typically 5 to 10 years. Depending on the jurisdiction, the property owner may also be able to block the easement by demonstrating that the use of the property was permissive, rather than adverse, meaning that the property owner gave the party holding the easement permission to use the property. In conclusion, blocking an easement on your property can be a challenging and complex process. It is essential to understand the type of easement in question and to seek the assistance of a lawyer if necessary. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, property owners can better navigate the process of blocking an easement and protecting their property rights. Property owners should always consult with a lawyer before attempting to block an easement, as the laws and regulations surrounding easements can be complex and vary by jurisdiction.